TSN, or time-sensitive networking, is a core technology of the new generation industrial Ethernet. Based on the IEEE 802.1 standards, TSN establishes a comprehensive protocol framework that covers time synchronization, traffic scheduling and shaping, flow management, and reliability assurance. With its expanding applications in intelligent manufacturing, automotive, Ethernet, aerospace, and rail transportation, ensuring the real-time performance of critical services and the stability and security of the network has become an urgent challenge to address. Xinertel has developed comprehensive TSN testing solutions that covers multiple dimensions, including functional verification, performance evaluation, security testing, and protocol conformance. By leveraging advanced technologies such as traffic simulation, attack emulation, and protocol modeling, together with high-performance testing platforms and dedicated hardware modules, Xinertel provides end-to-end assurance of TSN network stability and security. We offer 3 core testing platforms: the BigTao testing platform and multi-rate TSN test modules, covering from 100 Mbps to 10 Gbps, which fully supports the core TSN protocols, meeting the diverse testing requirements of various TSN devices. The DarPeng platform can simulate a wide range of threats, including realistic DDoS attacks, malware, and vulnerabilities, enabling customers to evaluate the defense and recovery capabilities of their TSN networks under complex security scenarios. In response to real-world network challenges, the XCompass Network Impairment Emulator supports multi-rate link testing and simulates latency, jitter, packet loss, and other network impairments, which accurately reproduce industrial field network conditions. Xinertel covers the entire TSN industry chain, providing comprehensive test solutions at both the device and system levels. For device testing, Xinertel focuses on TSN gateways, switches, terminals, and chips, conducting functional, performance, security, and protocol conformance tests to help customers ensure product stability and reliability. At the system level, Xinertel focuses on key application areas such as intelligent manufacturing, automotive Ethernet, aerospace, and rail transportation. It provides comprehensive testing under real operational conditions, ensuring the real-time performance and determinism of critical communications. From chip verification to system integration testing, from functional conformance to extreme scenario recovery capability validation, Xinertel's TSN testing platform covers the entire lifecycle, from R&D, selection, verification, to deployment, helping customers quickly achieve TSN deployment and intelligent upgrades.